Alright, let's continue here. So when it comes to solely adding whole numbers, the order in parentheses does not affect the sum of the addends. Alright, so we were discussing the order of operations and how parentheses, we solve parentheses first, right? And so let's discuss the relationship between addends, alright, and parentheses. When we're solely adding, this statement here, or this, we'll say this general rule here, states that the order and the parentheses and the way you solve the addition problem does not matter. All right. So let's go ahead here and clarify. All right. So we got open parentheses plus 1. 1 plus 3 close parentheses plus 5. All right, equals. All right. Now, ideally, what we want to do is, if you notice, we're solely adding here, right? So we got two plus signs, all right? The location of the parentheses does not matter because we're solely adding, right? The answer is still going to be the same, which is 9, all right? Now, let's take the same order of numbers and let's move the parentheses around here, right? So we got open parentheses 1 plus 3 plus 5, or close parentheses equals 9, and then we got 1 plus open parentheses 3 plus 5 close parentheses, and it'll still equal 9. So because we're solely adding here, addition signs here, 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 and here, okay, the order of these parentheses does not matter. They will still equal the same. All right. Was not affected. All right. And that's because we're adding only, and all right. So let's continue forward here. We're going to give you probably another example here, right? Let's say 3,541 plus 20 plus 5. Now, what is this equal to? So this equals to 3,565. All right. All right. Now let's add some parentheses here. Keep the same numerics here. Just add some parentheses. Let's put 3,541 plus 20 in parentheses, and let's leave the plus 5 out of the parentheses. It will still equal 3,565. All right. Let's keep going. Keep the same order and keep the same numerics, but let's move the parentheses around here. 3,541 plus, and then within our parentheses we'll put 20 plus 5, right? And it'll still give us 3,565 here. All right. Now let's put the whole thing parentheses and see if we get a different sum. All right. 3,541 plus 20 plus 5, close parentheses, and it still equals 3,565. All right. So when you're solely adding and you're dealing with parentheses, it really doesn't matter the order of operations. All right. It's still going. The sum is still going to be the same.